Whenever you're ready, Nate.
Okay. Nate Prater, ASR, Southern Illinois, South Central Illinois with Syngenta. Talking today about spider mites. Been getting quite a few calls on spider mites and how we control them, how do we identify them, why are the areas in my bean fields that started looking bad 2 or 3 weeks ago really looking bad now, and chances are it could be spider mites. And spider mites, when you look in a field, they're kind of tough to spot because they're so small you can't physically see them. But you look at an area like this right here and it's discolored. Look at the beans over here aren't a light green. The beans over here really aren't light green, but the ones right here in this little area right here have that light green kind of yellowish tinge to them. And chances are, if you get to looking at the backs of the leaves, you can see maybe some little spider mites. But the easiest way to check for spider mites is take a plain white sheet of paper, kind of either lay it down next to the row, hold it down underneath the leaf canopy, and basically take the leaves and just shake them over that white piece of paper. And the reason we use a white piece of paper is so you can see all those little red specks that are now moving around, along with a looper that's decided to attach itself to my thumb. But these little spider mites basically are sucking the liquid out of the bean plant, and when it's dry like it has been here for the last 2 or 3 weeks and the beans are under stress, the additional stress that the spider mites are causing by sucking off the liquid from the plant, it's starting to show up. The leaves are starting to discolor and turn a little bit of yellow. The plants are shortening because they just can't grow enough. They don't have enough energy. In this area, I would suspect, if it doesn't rain, will get bigger and bigger. And eventually you might see a dead plant or two if they really get under stress. How do we control for spider mites? Agrimec SC is about the best thing Syngenta has, is the best thing on the market right now for spider mites, 2.5 ounces. It can be tank mixed with any fungicide applications or herbicide applications or additional insecticide applications. And it will knock them down quick and keep them from coming up. If it was to start raining, chances are this spot would go away. Spider mites get washed off and it takes them a while to get back up on the plant. But spider mites are definitely an issue this year in Southern Illinois where we have not been getting any rain.